Hello everyone. I've been working on the model train layout again recently, and I added the Polar Express barrel loader trackside accessory as one of my most recent additions. I also added this green pickup truck from Woodland Scenics. It's a just plug electrical connection vehicle so that the tail lights, headlights light up when it's turned on. On the barrel loader from the Polar Express series, had a little problem with this when I went to connect it up. The light on the front, as you can see, kind of right there's a yellow lantern, and then there's a kind of an outdoor light that's supposed to be functional. Actually was not functional. I tested for continuity with my multimeter all the way back from the end of the wire all the way back to the light itself, and there was no connection, no electrical continuity, so that essentially was dead on arrival. I could have sent it back, I suppose, but instead I decided to attach a Woodland Scenic gooseneck outdoor light to it, which lights up quite nicely, and I actually like the look of it better than the light that came with the accessory. A couple things about this. I also bought the barrel loader car, and I'll scan over to that real quickly and just show you the car, the barrel loader car from the Polar Express series. That barrel car barrels are actually larger than the barrels on the barrel loader accessory, and they don't really work together. The place where I bought this was trainworld.com, and I found that to be a pretty reliable place to buy Lionel accessories. Grzybowski Trains in Pennsylvania, grzybowskitrains.com is also a great place to buy from. On the listing in trainworld.com, they state explicitly that this barrel loader was never meant to actually work. The barrels are smaller and hollow on the barrel loader. They have an opening on the bottom. But that it really was never expected to work, intended to work with the barrel loader car. Instead, they suggest that you load the barrels into a gondola car if you want to actually use the accessory. Just a real quick demonstration. There's a little lever on the side here where you push that. Figure comes out and kicks the barrel off into the ramp, the chute that runs down, and it would drop it into a gondola car. So the barrels can roll down this chute and end up here, and then you can, with this little lever, the figure comes out and pushes it down. So the only thing that the accessory really does is look nice. It's not really functional in any automated fashion. And with the addition of the Woodland Scenic gooseneck light, it looks quite nice sitting trackside there. As I continue to work on this layout, I'll be adding a few more trackside accessories, trying to stick to the Polar Express theme as much as possible with the trains. I've got two trains actually on the layout right now, and I've got a Conrail caboose on the Polar Express freight train, and then in addition to the Polar Express freight train, I've got a Polar Express passenger train. So it's a work in progress. Just starting to work on the road that will run around it, and I'll add a few more of the Woodland Scenic just plug vehicles to go onto that. But my take on the barrel loader accessory, trackside accessory, is, again, it's strictly for appearance. I think it looks nice. I'm glad I bought it. It was $56.99 from trainworld.com, and I regret that the light on it did not work, and so but I think the Woodland Scenics light that I wired into it looks fine and works quite well. So I will continue to add additional videos as I progress with the layout. Thanks for watching.